Should we move our stop to break even after our first profit pull, or should we leave the original stop? Technically speaking, you have a right to move your stop to break even after you have gained the right to take a profit. But I wouldn't do it at the first profit if the first profit is just a cents-based profit. So what I mean by that is, let's say, for instance, one of your profit rules is 30 cents. I would not take profits at 30 cents and then move my stop to break even. To me, I would not do that. Technically, you have a right to do it, but I wouldn't do it. I would do it on the third push, 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 profit take, now move stop to break even. Yes, but there are caveats. If my break even let's say I have an elephant surge off the 200. I'm not moving my stop from here, guys, to there. Nope. Why? Why am I not? Yeah, that's the perfect area, right? Remember, this bar shoots power to the right, and your 200 shoots power to the up side. So why would I want to get stopped out in this perfect area of support? So in this scenario, I will not move to break even. A break-even stop would force me to get stopped out in the perfect area, right? So if I don't have this scenario, then yes, I can move to break even. But I would only do it after a strong several pushes. I've just gotten stopped. Break-evens never worked that well for me. They just kicked me out of some really powerful moves too much, and I gained a sour taste for them, although that's just my experience. A trader like Dan loves break-even stops, and this is why the game is so individualized, guys. All right. Do I look for certain trades first, or do I take the trades that come to me? Is that really the question? Or I take what happens? I usually take what happens. All right, but that's a good question, guys. My philosophy is that you have a destiny, and your job every morning is to find out what today's destiny is. It is not to choose. It is to wait and receive. I'm going to repeat that. Your job is not to choose. Your job is to wait and receive what comes to you. So let's say, for instance, you have elephant, elephant plus, tail, bull 180, RBI. So let's say You've got these 5 things are your plays. All right. Now, you might have a favorite one, but the way I do it is whichever one of these this morning steps off this line, all right, and goes ahead of everyone else and presents itself to me first. That's mine. All right. I may like Bull 180s better, but number 4 didn't come to me first. Number 2 came to me first. So number 2 is my destiny. That's the way I approach it. Now, what if number 2 and number 4 presents themselves at the same time? Well, now you can choose or take them both. And this is why you should have these ranked in terms of which one of these 5 performs for you better. You should know that. You should have all of your tactics ranked. Like, I produced the biggest wins with this tactic. I produced the worst results with this tactic. I'm the most consistent with this tactic. Do you understand? And so once you have them ranked, when you get this scenario of both of these presenting themselves, trying to get your attention at the same time, but you can only do one, you know which one to go to because you have your plays ranked. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys?